All right, folks, good morning. All right, let's get started here. So, for today, April the 1st, we have the following information. At 9 a.m., we have FOMC member Barkin speaking. We're not expecting that to have a significant impact. At 9:45 a.m., we'll have final manufacturing PMI, which is expected to have a moderate impact. At 10 a.m., we're going to have ISM manufacturing PMI, which is expected to have a major impact. JOLTS job openings, which is also expected to have a major impact. ISM manufacturing prices, which is expected to have a moderate impact. Construction spending month over month, which is expected to have a light impact. We have RCM TIPP economic optimism, which is expected to have a moderate impact. We don't have exact time for that. And then all day we'll have Ward's total vehicle sales, which is not expected to have a significant impact. All right. Um, now, as far as this goes, let's take a look at the market and see what's happening in the pre-market here. Firstly, the QQQ ETF yesterday was bullish, was able to move up in price, and if we look here, at the if we look here at the chart, we're about to open slightly lower than when we closed yesterday. So it doesn't look very bearish. So we'll see what happens there. Now, as far as the stocks that we're looking at yesterday, we did not actually find any stocks yesterday that met our criteria. So as a result, we did not have any alerts for yesterday's session. So let's look here at the pre-market and see how things are moving right now. So in the pre-market, I have the following stocks. First up, I have AGNC, which is presently, okay, it's only down well, it's about break even, so that one doesn't qualify, so we'll skip that. Next up is CMPX, which is presently up 11.58% on 5.2 million shares. It's at least $1 per share. So we'll go ahead and add that to our pre-market watch list. The symbol again is CMPX. Sorry, 1 second here. There we go. Next up is ICCT, which is presently up 48% on about 41.5 million shares. It's at least $1 per share. So we'll go ahead and add ICCT to the pre-market watch list. Next up is Microalgo MLGO, which is presently up 27.26% on 4.3 million shares. It's at least $1 per share as well. So we'll go ahead and add that MLGO to the pre-market watch list. Next up is MVST, which is currently up 15.38% on 8.2 million shares. It's at least $1 per share as well. So we'll go ahead and add MVST to the list. Next up is let's see, SATX. No, actually not SATX. Let me check Tesla here. Okay, Tesla, it's not up enough, but I just want to see. Okay, so that won't count. All right, so that's all stocks I've been able to find. If you folks see any other stocks meeting our criteria, let me know in the chat. The 4 criteria are: it must be a NASDAQ listed stock, trading at least $1 per share in the current pre-market session. It must have achieved at least a 6% price change, positive or negative. and must have achieved at least 1 million shares of pre-market volume. So if you folks see any other stocks meeting all four criteria, other than those I've already mentioned, let me know in the chat and we'll go ahead and take a look. All right, so we'll go ahead and wrap up for today's pre-market pulse, folks. Please be sure to um, like the video. I see we have 4 likes, more than 4 people watching. So please be sure to hit the like button, which greatly helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel so you get notifications. Okay. Also, if you are new to, if you have not been familiar with our company, please check out fundertrading.com, our website. You'll see a link in the description to this video. Other than that, for everyone's part of the coaching program, I'll see you there in about 21 minutes, and we'll pick up for today's trading session. All right. All right, folks. Have a great trading session. I'll see you for tomorrow's pre-market pulse. Take care.